Hey everyone, have you ever been scrolling through YouTube, found a perfect video and wish you could save it to watch offline later? Maybe you're about to hop on a flight or you just want to keep it forever even if the creator takes it down. Well, what if I told you there are two simple game-changing ways to do that? I'm going to show you how to download any video you want, whether it's your own or someone else's, and the best part, it's completely without a watermark and can be done right from your phone or computer. Method number 1. First, let's tackle your own content. Open the YouTube app and tap on your profile picture or the U icon in the bottom right corner. Now look for your video section and give that a tap. You see a list of all the videos you've uploaded. Find the one you want to save, and to the right of it, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on that. Tap those 3 dots and a menu will pop up. Right there, you'll see the magic button. Save. Save to device. Just tap it and boom, it'll automatically download a high quality copy of a video straight to your phone's gallery. No fuss, no extra apps, and no YouTube watermark. You'll be able to play it back anytime, anywhere. Method number 2. Now for the real secret, how to download someone else's video. This method is incredibly easy and a feature of a lot of people don't realize they have access to. All you need to do is open the video you want, and right underneath you'll see the download button.
If you want to get in,
It's next to likes and shares icon. Tap that button and the video will immediately start downloading. And you can find all your saved videos in the download section of the app. This is perfect for those times you're traveling and won't have a reliable internet connection. Now, a quick heads up. This feature is part of the YouTube Premium. But before you click away, hear me out. YouTube offers a free trial for Premium. This means you can sign up and download all the videos you want for that trip and then decide if you want to keep the subscription. It's a fantastic way to test the waters and get your downloads without paying a dime upfront. So there you have it. 2 simple, fast ways to save any YouTube video you want, whether you're a creator archiving your work or just a fan wanting to watch your favorite content offline. You now have the tools to do it.